my name is Ariella Joy, and I want to show you how to come up with a chord progression for a song. So a chord progression is basically a series of chords in a sequence for a song. That's all it is. So I want to show you just two different ways that you can easily come up with chord progressions. All you really need is an instrument, and you need to know how to play a few chords. I like to do a lot of times when I'm coming up with a chord progression is just to play around and try out different chords. I'll play a C chord, and then an A chord, and then I'll just decide whether I like those two together. Not really feeling it, so let me try something else. Start back with the C. That's an E, which I do like, so I'm gonna stick with that and try something out after the E. And that's an F. And I kind of want to hold that out. C, E, F, we have a chord progression. It's nothing too complicated, but it already kind of gives a mood for the song. We got the first way down, just playing around. All you need to know is a few chords. If you only knew the chords C, E, and F, you could come up with a different progression with those same three chords. F, C, F, E. So totally different sound, but the same three chords. The second way that I like to come up with chord progressions is I just have a melody in my head and I want to find a progression that could fit that melody. So again, this is with trial and error. So I'll just come up with a tune. Ooh. Okay, so ooh, so that's a C. Ooh. Doesn't go, so I just tried C and D. Doesn't work. Let me try again. Ooh. A. Nope. Let me try again. Ooh. That works. That was C, A minor, F. I'm gonna try something else different. So that was C, G, F. So now I have some options. Each of the chord progressions give a different feel to the song. Maybe I use all of those chord progressions in that song I'm creating, just in a different place. One's for the verse, one's for the chorus, one's for the bridge. So there you have it. That's two easy ways to come up with a chord progression when you're writing a song. You don't need to know about music theory. You don't need to even really know what key your song is going to be in. Honestly, some people might be really against the idea of just trial and error and just kind of doing everything by ear. But when I started writing songs over 10 years ago, that's exactly how I did it. I knew a few chords on the guitar, but I just played around and found what worked and found what I liked with the song. So the more you try different things out, the more you learn, and then you can figure out more of the theory as you go. But I think for a lot of people that can possibly hold you back with writing music. You might think, oh, I don't know enough about music, I won't be able to write a song, but you know enough. If you can play a few chords on an instrument, you know more than enough to come up with something. So I hope that helps you. Thank you for watching. Bye.